Okay, so we're doing a first order homogeneous equation, solving by substitution. And to do this, we have to transform it into a variable separable equation using y equals bx. So the question we're given is x squared dy over dx equals xy minus 2y squared. And we're given this substitution, and for dy over dx, we have to substitute in x dy over dx plus b. So to do that, we end up with x squared outside of x dv over dx plus b is equal to, I'm also going to substitute this in at the same time, so we're going to end up with x bx minus 2bx squared. And then we're going to, if you expand these out, we end up with x squared as a common term outside of each expression. So we divide each by x squared and we end up with x dv over dx plus b is equal to b minus 2b squared.
So, continuing on from the last part, we have x dv dx plus b equals v minus 2v squared. So the first thing we're going to do is simplify this a little bit more. So what we notice is there's a positive v on both sides, so we know that they're going to cancel. So we get left with x dv dx equals minus 2v squared. So what we want to do is turn this into something we can turn into a variable separable and then integrate. So what we're going to do is divide by dv on both sides. So we get x on dx equals minus 2v squared on dv. So we can't integrate this yet, so what we're going to do is take the reciprocal of both sides and integrate that. So we get the integral of 1 on x dx equals the integral of minus a half b to the minus 2 dv. So from there we get ln of x equals a half outside v to the minus 1 plus c.
So carrying on from before, we're now substituting back in for v. We have v equals y on x. Substituting back in, we have ln of x equals 1 half y on x inverse plus c. Then have ln of x equals 1 half x on y. They become inverse due to the negative 1. Timesing the 2 across. 2 ln of x equals x on y plus c. Taking the c across to the other side. The sign doesn't matter there because it's a constant. And then times the y. 2 ln of x plus c equals x on y. Dividing the x down. And then we just inverse the whole function. Of x plus c. So left with y equals x on 2 ln x plus c.